Hello Capricorn, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your monthly love reading for the month of July 2020. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not. If it resonate with you, you can take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, just leave that. Uh, I'm gonna use this pattern, this spread. It's easy, and I try to cover every area of your love life from this pattern. I'm gonna pull four cards for your partner's feelings and attentions and current feelings towards you, and then I pull four cards for your feelings and attentions, and two cards for your mutual feelings and attention. So let's get started. What is the Capricorn's person's feelings towards Capricorn? What is the Capricorn's person's feelings towards Capricorn? What is the Capricorn's person's feelings towards Capricorn? And we are having Hermit, King of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and also we are having the Devil. So what are the Capricorn's feelings towards this? What are the Capricorn's feelings towards this person? What are the Capricorn's feelings towards this person? So we are having the Star, Queen of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Ace of Swords. So what is the mutual energy? We are having the Empress, Page of Cups in the mutual energy. Okay, Capricorns, so let's get started with your person's feelings first. I feel like this person is in some kind of disappointment. They feel like they could be their king, because we are having here Queen of Pentacles and here a King of Pentacles. So they feel like you are the perfect match for them. They cannot have a beautiful life with you, and also you are very reliable partner and a perfect marriage material for them. But I feel like they are not able, or it's not happening, because I feel like you are not giving yourself to that person, just separating yourself from this person, because we are having a star in your feelings. So this person is not so happy that you are not with them anymore, and they also feel like they could have a beautiful relationship with you. They could have a stable relationship with you. They could be the king, and now they are like this Page of Pentacles. They feel like they want stability with you, they want happiness with you, but they don't, but that thing is not happening. And that's why this person is going into his hermit mode. They feel very pessimistic, and they feel like they cannot do anything about the situation anymore. They have lost you, and it's some kind of obsession is also there, because we are having the Devil. So definitely this person is having some kind of toxic energy in them. Also, this is someone could be possible who is doing self destruction things, what I feel here. And also this is the obsession this person is still having towards you. They are obsessed over you, Capricorn, because you are not with them. You're living your own life, and I feel like they are not so happy to see you happy without them, because I feel like you are completely showing to this person that you don't need them, you don't want them, and this person is not so happy with this kind of feelings. That's why this person is obsessed, and they're still having some kind of pull towards you as well. So it's not an easy situation for this person to remove you from out of their mind. And this is the love and a hate kind of situation, because they don't know how to have you back, and that's why this person is disappointed and just simply obsessing over you. and they don't know what to do about you anymore. So it's like someone is losing control and they are not happy about it. So let's see what is your feelings, Capricorn. So Capricorn, I feel like you are self nurturing, healing, and you are definitely in your own. With also this Queen of Pentacle, you feel like you have already invested a lot in this relationship, and now you cannot invest anything in this relationship anymore. Now it's time for you to invest this energy and love on yourself. Also with this star card, it's very clear that you are healing, you are trying to balance your energy, and some kind of distance you are maintaining between this person and you. Definitely you are in some kind of boundary. And also with this Four of Cups, definitely you are not just trying to ignore your emotions and feelings you are having toward this person as well, because I feel like you are trying to shift your focus as well. You're just trying to shift your focus on other things, but you feel like it's a worthless to think about this person, to have this person in your life, because you are having a lot of clarity in your life with this Ace of Sword. You are very clear about things you want. And also this is the card that after having so much struggle, finally you are realizing that what is the truth, and you are the finally having clarity, because could be possible this person was not bringing you some kind of clarity, but now you are very clear everything about everything, and you are optimistic about your love life, because star always brings optimism and hope. So let's see what is the mutual energy. So in mutual energy, they simply see you like an empress here, someone who is very so feminine. Also this is sign that they feel like you are so nurturing and motherly, and definitely a motherly energy can forgive someone. So they maybe they feel like you are gonna forgive them again, and you are so nurturing and loving, so they should have you. You 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 are perfect marriage material. You can say here. So they still dream about you. They definitely not so happy to lose you, and they are not so happy to lose their emperors, to lose some kind of control over you. Losing a control over some kind of powerful personality like you, so it's hurtful for them. And we are having the Page of Cups. So I feel like this is you, Capricorn, dreaming for a new person, dreaming for a new relationship. You are also ready for a new kind of energy. Also it's a card that it's another sign of optimism in love life, and currently you feel like you can have someone better, Capricorn. So let's see what else we have for Capricorn. What else for Capricorn? Spirits, what else for Capricorn? We are having Moon, Five of Pentacle, and as outcome we are having a Justice. So like I was saying to you, something which was not so clear, but now I feel like you know that what was not so clear, and everything is clear in front of you. And you know, you feel like this person keeping you in some kind of a deception. They were hiding a lot of things from you, and it was a deception, it was a deceit, and this relationship was a deceit for you. What I feel here, Capricorn, and you are realizing that you have this realization because we are now having star in your energy. So you finally realizing your worth, and you are coming out from this darkness. And if you are still, it's a warning. If you are in some kind of situation in which you are stuck, so please be careful as well whenever the moon is there. But I still feel like you are coming out from this moon, and now you are in the energy of star. So you know their game now. you know that what this person was doing. With this five of pentacle, I feel like this person is suffering now because you are not with them, so this person is feeling miserable now because they have lost their control, they have lost their resource, they have lost someone who are giving them everything. So it's a painful thing to realize, and definitely this person is suffering without you, Capricorn. And as a outcome, we are having justice, and it's a sign that, Capricorn, you want balance, you want justice, you want what you want, and you are doing just justice. And also this is about clarity as well. You are taking this strict pose toward this person holding this sword, and you are very clear that about yourself, and you are very clear that this is what I deserve and I will not take less than what I deserve. And I feel like this is a good outcome to have, because I feel like every deceit, every darkness and that was in your life, I feel like that darkness is gonna be diminished. And because this is a card of another sign of resolving any issue. If you are having some kind of issue to understand this situation, I feel I feel like you are gonna now understand that, and they will have to face this justice, and it's like a karma that is coming on this person's way. They are also facing their karma, what I feel here, because now they are suffering without they will have to suffer if because they made you suffer in this relationship with this moon. They are keeping you in darkness, and they were hiding a lot of things from you, Capricorn, but now they will have to face their karma, and that's why they are suffering here. So let's see what is in your advice messages in the end, Capricorn. What is the advice messages for Capricorn? Advice messages: live in the present moment, love yourself, you can do what you want, and shine. These are your advice messages in the end, Capricorn. Hope this resonate with you. If it resonate with you, you can support my channel. And thanks for listening, and God bless you all. Bye.